What's up guys, it's Marissa with Krietz Customs coming at you with an aftermarket buyer's guide for lifting your truck. Whether it be your first time or if you are at a standstill with your build, we're going to go over all the options that Krietz Customs has to offer. And if you like lifted trucks, SUVs, or Jeeps, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a video. Starting off with your lift wheels and tires, if you're looking to enhance your daily driver, we have 2-inch or 3.5-inch kits. And then if you're looking to stand out with your show truck builds or even off-road, we have 4, 6, 8, and even higher suspension kits that allow you to run those bigger wheel and tire packages. Here at Krietz Customs, we have a massive inventory of wheels and tires. Any size, any style that you're looking for, our aftermarket team can actually help you pick the package that's best for your build. The first thing people think when building a truck usually is lift wheels and tires, but Krietz Customs also adds different accessories for your truck build. Some other options would be running boards, exhaust, tint, bed liner, bed cover, sports bar in the back, vent visors, front and rear bumpers, grille replacements, as well as color matching too. For more information, make sure you guys check out our showroom here in Frederick, Maryland, or give us a call 301-694-4642.